Hello, my name is Tyler, student number 410821337, and this is my final project. I've already basically described my functions in the Word document, so now this is just a live demo. Um, so right now, before I do anything, what I need to do is I need to unlock all the accounts. So the way I'll do that is I'll just copy and paste this in, and I'll unlock the first account with its password. And then unlock the second account with its password as well. Ooh, sorry about that. Um, so the second account and then the third account, which yeah, because whenever we do these transactions with this get account, we just need to unlock it. So this is yeah. So once I've unlocked all these accounts and I have my MetaMask connected here, I can see that I have my three accounts, two, three, and four. These are the ones I'm going to use. Um, and I have it connected here, two, three, and four. So I'm first gonna deploy the contract with this first account, right? And so I can just, once everything's set, I can actually just go about deploying. Let's see if it gives, yep, it does it right here. So it shows the deployed contracts. These are all the functions. So let's just test a couple of them. So for the owner function, we can see that this is the address of the owner that deployed it, 0x0a, which is, yeah, the same one here. And yeah, and so we can actually get the players. This will get both the address array and the names array, but they're both empty. And we can also get the lottery pot, which is zero initially. So let's enter into the pot. So let's enter number one into the pot. The same person that deployed it. Let's enter that person. So let's put one E. So, and that person's name is Tyler, for instance. So we have to put a name and we also have to put the amount here and then we can enter. So let's see if it works. It's successful. And so now when we run this, we can see that the player's address is here and the string array is Tyler. So you can see the name of the players here. And we can also get the lottery pot. So the total lottery pot is this amount. Um, and so even if we go on MetaMask, we see that we had 10 before, but now it's 9. Uh, yeah, so we're gonna let these two accounts actually enter as well. So let's put this one in. So we switch to this account, put one Ether, and then let's call this one Anna. So we enter into this account now. Let's see if it works. Yep, it works as well. So now what we get the total pot, now the number went up. We can get the address, sorry, we get the players' addresses and also the names here. Yeah, so let's do that one more time, but with this amount, with this account here. One Ether, let's name it Kylie. Okay. So enter, we wait, and now it works. So the total lottery pot as shown here is 3 ETH. All the players, let's say player one, two, and three are all shown here, all their addresses, but I just wanted to make it cleaner. So I added a string array here. So Tyler, Anna, and Kyrie are here. And yeah. So now once we have all the players in, we can actually go about picking a winner. In order to pick the winner, I had to make a randomized number function shown here. And so when we press this, we get a random number, but this isn't actually useful to us. So what we want to do is we want to uh, modulus this number with the player index, the player length of the array in order to get a specific index. So we do that, all of that. And when we pick the winner, let's see if it works, send transaction. Um, oh, it blocked it. Oh, it blocked it because it is not the owner that invoked the function. So we have to go back to who actually the owner is, which is this account, this first account that we use. And let's try to pick the winner now. Yep. So I picked a winner, and now it'll empty these arrays. So when I get player, it's just zero. When I get lottery pot, it goes back to zero. And that is that. So let's see who won. Well, we can see who won by just looking at these accounts. And we can see that actually the person that made the lottery won the account. So they got 3 ETH and these two, minus ETH. We can check the balances also on MetaMask. So we can see, yeah, this person got 3 ETH and then these other ones have minus 1. So that's all I did for my final project. This is a lottery, simple lottery game. Thank you.